Hi, I'm Sarah Nelson, and today I'm going to show you how I created this look using the Youngblood Liquid Mineral Foundation. This foundation gives you a really nice light to medium, dewy, glowy complexion. I need a little love under my eyes today, so I'm going to go in with the Youngblood Eye Impact. This is the Quick Recovery Eye Cream. This has a lot of caffeine in it, so it's great for the day. It's just like your morning cup of coffee. Now I'm going to use the Mineral Primer with the YB4 brush and really concentrate this in the center of my face. And now I'm going to use the Youngblood Diamond Illuminator. Love this product. You can use it as skincare, you can use it as a highlighter, you can use it on your body, really anywhere. And it has this beautiful glow to it. It's a very subtle glow, but you'll really be able to see this come through when I put the foundation on. And now onto the Liquid Mineral Foundation. I prefer to use this with a brush. You can also use a beauty sponge. A couple pumps onto the YB3 brush. Kind of just put little dots around my whole face where I want the coverage so that I can kind of evenly disperse that and I don't get a ton of product all over. And start in the middle and just blend it out. I'm the color Golden Tan. I usually like to warm myself up, so I always take it down my neck. Like I want some more coverage around my mouth area where I have some discoloration. So underneath my eyes, you can really focus that product underneath the eyes as well. And then you can come in with a concealer after. This foundation is really good for dry skin, kind of dry to combination. Really good for a luminous, radiant, silky smooth complexion. My skin tends to be a little drier, so I personally love this foundation for a day-to-day. It continues to hydrate me with all the beautiful ingredients. The chamomile is very soothing. The green tea has beautiful antioxidants that help protect your skin. They put these beautiful ocean minerals from the deep sea and they put it into this award-winning foundation, and I can really tell a difference when I wear this product. I don't break out, I look hydrated the whole day. Now that I have the desired coverage that I want from the foundation, I'm gonna come in with the Ultimate Concealers. I have two different colors here. I have medium tan and medium. Medium tan has a little more of a pinky tone to it, which I'm gonna use underneath my eyes to help cancel out any darkness in the inner corners here. You can even take it on top of the lid if you'd like. And I'm using the YB10 brush. I really like to correct any areas first before I add any brightness to my under eyes. And if you want to spot treat any areas. And then I'm going to come in with the medium, which is a little bit of a lighter color, more for a highlight. I'm going to put this underneath to brighten under my eyes. I'm going to go in with the HD powder and the YB5 brush. And because I want to keep this look very luminous, I'm only going to put just a little bit of powder underneath the eyes. This HD powder really helps take away any texture. You can see that the shine is gone. I'm actually going to come in with a beautiful pink lip today. So I'm going to use their Mineral Radiance. This is the color Splendor. I like to mix them all together, and I'm just going to put this right onto my cheek. This is just going to give me a really pretty radiant glow, but also a little tint of cheek color. Before this video, I added my brows and my mascara, but I'm going to come in with a little bit of eyeliner now. This is the Legit pencil. Bring a little wing out to the side. Now that I have my wing eyeliner on, I curled my lashes and I'm going to use this Outrageous Lashes mascara, and I'm just going to add a little more. Now I'm going to come in with the Twilight Lunar Dust and the YB7 highlighting brush. This is pre-highlight. You can see that my skin is still very luminous from the foundation. I want to add even more dew. I'm gonna add some of this gorgeous highlighter. And now for the lip, I'm coming in with the Pout lip liner. This is very comparable to my lip color. I'm just using the Pout as a guideline to outline my lips. And lastly, I'm going to use the Dragon Fruit. It's this beautiful pink color just for a fun look. And here's the final look using the Youngblood Liquid Mineral Foundation. Another tip I want to mention is if you want more coverage, you can use this liquid mineral foundation and mix it in with the loose mineral foundation. That will give you more of a cream and it'll be a lot more full coverage. Because of the amazing ingredients in this foundation, this is a really great product to use post-treatment, post-laser, post-facial, where your skin may be a little red and you need a lot of hydration and a little bit of coverage. This is the go-to product.